ako babagsak.
My name is Sandro Andre. I'm fourth year student. Kape ka ba?
Bakit?
Ayaw fight mo.
My name is Christian Camugaw. Pintas ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi kotse ang dala ko.
Sarap ko dito. My name is Darwin Mamore. I'm fourth student. Papaya ka ba?
Bakit?
Papaya ka lang sana, papaya ka eh.
Here you go, way too fast. Don't slow down, you're gonna crash. You don't know what's been going down. You've been running all over town, so shut your mouth. 'Cause I'm not listening anymore.
Yes, Alejandro.
Bukod sa verb. And the manner of expression of the verb.
Alright. What is three types of the verb?
Sir,
Yes, Mamore.
indicative mood. Imperative mood, subjunctive mood.
Nice. And what is the meaning of imperative mood?
Sir!
Yes, Camugaw.
Expresses declaration or inquiry.
Okay. What is the meaning of imperative? Yes, Alejandro.
Ano nga? Take all command or request.
And what is subjunctive mood?
Sir,
Yes, Mamore.
in all of this, the verb of a model in the past tense is used. The subjunctive mood is used.
Okay. Okay, class. The topic for today is simple tense. What is the one of type of simple tense?
Sir,
Yes, Mamore.
simple present tense.
What is the meaning of simple present tense?
Used to tell a general truth or fact.
And alright, simple tense. And what is the example? Yes, Leandro.
I will go to the church.
Go to the. What is the simple present of your meaning? Go. Alright. And okay. And what is the simple tense? Second type of simple tense.
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense. What is the meaning of simple past tense? Yes, Kamugaw.
So,
Used to complement
other verbs
which are using in the past tense in the sentence. Okay. And everyone is, what is the example? Yes,
Yeah.
Amore.
if you did continue your studies, you might have been a lawyer.
Okay. Alright. What is the last simple present tense? What is the last type? Yes. What is the last? Yes, Kamugaw.
Simple future tense.
Alright. What is the meaning of simple present tense?
Tense,
Yes.
Used to show simple action or condition in the future.
Okay. Give me example, Leandro.
Sir! She will have it. She will show the contest tomorrow.
Song. What is the simple present, simple future of the your example?
She will dance. I will show.
So, all right. Stop.
Game.
Perfect tense. What is this is the three type of perfect tense. What is the one of type of perfect tense?
Sir!
Yes, Mamore.
The one type of perfect tense is present perfect tense. Has or have plus past participle.
Yes. What is the meaning of past participle? Yes.
Sir! Used to show an event to be finished in the future.
And what is the example? Who can give the example?
Sir,
Yes, Leandro.
She has been sick since Monday.
Monday. What is the perfect tense?
Has been.
Alright. At B. And this is the three types. Your give is 1. What is the second type of perfect tense? Yes,
Sir.
Leandro.
Past perfect tense. Had plus past participle.
What is the meaning of past perfect tense? Yes, Mamore.
The meaning of past perfect tense is used to show past action that came before another past action. Yeah.
And what can you give example, Mr. Kamugaw?
Sir.
I had left when the teacher came. And what is the perfect tense?
Had left.
Had left. All right. Nice. And what is the last type of perfect tense? Yes, Leandro.
Future perfect tense. Will have past participle.
Oh, all right. What is the meaning of future tense? Yes, Kamugaw.
To understand how this tense is used, imagine a person taking to somebody. Yun na.
And what is example? Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Mamore.
The example is future perfect tense. 40 years from now, Bea will have been a listener. And the future tense is underline will have been. And that's correct.
And what is the perfect tense? What is the future perfect tense?
To understand nga, and will have been.
All
Ang ulit
right.
mo.
Bravo, bravo.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Feeling more Korean, I don't know. Baby, baby, not more. You're I don't know. Feeling more Korean, I don't know. Baby, baby, not more. You're I don't know what I'm saying. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가려